Broadcast. What?
Watchdog organization.
Okay, and that's for
3
broadcasters.
letters.
Okay, I don't know. Do you know the name of that organization? No. We'll go on to one of the others.
Coffee Olay.
Cafe au lait. How many?
One word.
How many letters?
Well, let's see here. 28 down.
That means coffee with milk.
3 letters.
Okay, so cafe au lait, and it's got 3 letters.
LAI. Right.
LAI.
Coffee FB lay.
Cafe au lait. What is the hint?
The hint is just coffee lay.
Yeah, and it's milk cream. I don't know. Another word, a 3-letter word for that. Oh well. Are you enjoying the birds? Listen to them. We should get your little book out that tells about the Audubon. Each page has a different bird on it. There. Hi. I was checking to see if your eyes were still open.
Yeah.
You were so quiet sitting there.